All right, here's my Polar OH1. It's been charged. I press the button and it doesn't do anything. No green light. No green light. It does if I put it into the computer. It will eventually turn green, and it will respond to calls. We'll respond to the bike, but obviously it doesn't do anything when it's plugged into my computer. It needs to be on my arm, and when I put it on my arm, it doesn't do anything. So yeah, so that's it. So here's my situation. I plugged this into the place where it's supposed to go. This is what the guys did when they came here to set it up as well. There's no red light on, and the screen doesn't work. Oops, sorry. And if I push the button, hold it, nothing happens. It's completely dead. However, if I unplug this and I plug it into here, where is it? Oh, sorry. Into here, then the red light does come on and the screen works just fine. Yeah, so there.